Hello guys, have you wondered that in a single annual report you find a two financials? Why the company punch a two financials like a two balance sheet, two profit and loss statement, two cash flow statement? That's not a two. One is a standalone and one is a consolidated. So what is this consolidated report and what is the standalone report? So basically, the standalone report is the parent, and the consolidated report is a family. So what is this parent and family? Let me give one example here. So in a family, you will have you have you seen that in a family there's a head which is called a parent, and that sub which they have a that's that children that childs, right? So the head is called a standalone here, and the full family is called a consolidated here. So in a standalone report, you will have a seen only the financial of only the financial of the parent only. In standalone, you will see a financial of the parent. In a consolidated report, you will see the financial of the parent plus their subsidiaries, parent plus their child, basically parent plus their child. A full family financial will be seen in a consolidated report, but in a standalone report you will see only the financial of the parent. So basically, when you come here in this company Kirloskar Industry, you will see the total this is this is a standalone report and this is a consolidated report, P&L report. Okay, so you will see the total revenue of this company in FY25 was 95 crore, and in consolidated report you will see the total revenue is 6,000 crore. So this give a hint like majorly revenue is coming from children's or their subsidiaries, basically their subsidiaries, right? So parent is not doing much here, basically the subsidiary is doing much here. So this for this kind of company you need to understand, to understand this kind of this kind of business, basically you have to understand the subsidy only. So if you want to find any kind of subsidiary in a if you want to find who are the subsidiaries, you just search AOC form in that financial in their annual report. So for in this company for in this company there are two subsidiaries. One is Kirloskar Firoz Industry Limited, one is Avintu Space Limited. So if you see both revenue, you will see the turnover of the both company revenue from operation. The Kirloskar Firoz is earning 6,546 crore, 6,564 crore, and second subsidiary is earning only 3 crore. So in the consolidated report, the majorly is revenue coming from the one subsidiary, which is a Kirloskar Firoz Industry Limited. Right. So an accounting standard has suggested that if you are controlling any entity, it will become a subsidiary. So in this, Kirloskar Industry is controlling Kirloskar Firoz Limited. So it's not, it doesn't matter if you hold 10%, if you hold 20%, if you hold 30%. But if you control that entity, it will become a subsidy. So in this, you will see the 46% are held by the Kirloskar Industry. Means Kirloskar Industry hold 46% of Kirloskar Firoz Limited. If you see the net profit of this company, this is a net profit of the overall family. But further further it will divide it into two. You will see the profit attributable to owner and profit attributable to non-controlling interest. So what is this non-controlling interest? This is called a NCI. What is this NCI? So we hold 46% of the Kirloskar Firoz Limited, but the remaining 44% will someone is holding that 46%, right? So that 46% holder are come here. For example, as you can see, the company's PAT, the company's profit after tax was 294 crore. So we hold only 46%. So we will get only 294 crore of 46 crore of 46%. So we are the owner of the company. So we get only 149 crore of 246 crore of one 246 crore of 46%, and the remaining will you will see in the non-controlling interest, right? So you have to understand if companies increasing their shareholding in this, the automatically EPS will be the increase, as the EPS is calculated on a profit attributable to owner only. So right, so next time when you analyze your company, also see the standalone report and consolidated report. If any there is a big difference, just check which subsidies having which subsidy of the financials. You have to look out into there also. Right. In next video, we will understand the financial of the JV and association. Till now, subscribe. Thank you.